40mm grenade launchers are among the more flexible weapons in the US military's inventory. All of the different types of ammo that may be loaded into it contribute to its versatility. However, you might be astonished at how many numerous things you can shoot from the old blue gun. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the grenade launchers in the armory of the United States. Today, grenade launchers fire some of the most modern weaponry on the battlefield. And as technology continues to improve, the classic 40mm grenade will continue to find new applications. To be clear, we're talking about the infantrymen's portable grenade launchers. This covers the M203 and M320, as well as the various M79 variants that continue to circulate. The term normal munition is relative. As you'd expect, these 40mm grenade launchers can fire both high explosive grenades and high explosive dual purpose grenades for armored targets. Additionally, most people know that these launchers can fire smoke grenades, which can provide concealment for troop movements, mark targets, and really step up the spooky vibe for your seasonal Halloween party. All of these are standard fare for anyone with a grenade launcher. But when we got beyond normal, we began to see some fascinating 40mm grenade launcher options. 40mm grenade launchers and fights, and the more accurate your grenader, the quicker he or she can do so. To make grenaders more lethal and more accurate, the Army and Marine Corps are testing Raytheon's Pike ammunition. The Pike, no relation, utilizes a laser designator and still requires the user to aim as close to the target as possible. But then, the laser can guide the grenade engine for maximum accuracy. This system also extends the range of the 40mm grenade launcher from 300 yards to a jaw-dropping 2 km. It's effective against infantry, light-skinned vehicles, and similar targets. It's substantially larger than a normal 40mm round, but offers much more capability. Sometimes, responding to the situation does not require lethal force. But for the safety of personnel and security, less lethal ammunition may be used. Shotguns are a common choice, but 40mm grenade launchers can also be effective, less lethal platforms. This includes the ability to fire beanbags, rubber pellets, rubber slugs, and FRCS and smoke grenades for crowd dispersal. These munitions allow military forces to respond to civil events with a lighter touch. So you've got a door in your way? Well, doors don't often stand up to 40mm grenades. Without a doubt, an HEDP can destroy a door, but sometimes you need a lighter touch for close-range use or for when you don't know what's on the other side of the door. With that in mind, Saint Engineering makes a 40mm door breaching load that uses a low-velocity grenade that smashes doors open with blast pressure. These allow the user to breach the door without getting too close to the door. Doors are called fatal funnels for a reason, and distance between the breacher and or can save lives. The rapid rise of unmanned aerial devices, aka quadcopters and drones, pose a real risk to military members deployed overseas. It's becoming increasingly common to see simple commercial drones packaged with homemade explosive loads to target troops. So, as you'd imagine, a push for anti-drone weapon systems has been developed, and 14mm grenade launchers are an excellent means to fire them. The big 40mm tube gives plenty of room to pack a countermeasure into the system. The US Army developed their own counter-drone munitions that launches a massive net, complete with weight, to capture the drone in the air and bring it down safely. CS is designed for both individual devices and to deal with swarming systems. This CS grenade promises to make quick work of quadcopters and similar drones. They make mini drones that can be crammed into a grenade launcher and launched from the ground level. There are two types of 40mm drones. The first is the more traditional quadcopter style drone called the Defentex Drone 40. When launched, the drone opens and deploys 4 rotors to maintain flight. It has a 20-minute flight time and a 50-km range. The drone can act as an immediate source of intel for troops on the ground via its ISR mode. Additionally, this drone can carry a munition package and can even work as part of a swarm that sounds absolutely terrifying to be on the wrong side of. A small swarm of drones could easily take out a hardened target without risking any friendly casualties. They can also be hand-launched for a stealthier option. The other type comes from Saint Engineering and is known as the Sparks. SPARC stands for Soldier Parachute Aerial Reconnaissance Camera System, and it's a camera attached to a parachute. Troops can shoot these from their 40mm grenade launchers over a target and have a bird's eye view as the camera slowly descends. It's a simple and disposable option for combat in an urban environment. This system allows for a connection with a PDA type unit, and it could be easily adapted to the Marine's common tablet. Grenades are game changers in a fight. Small arms and machine guns are great, but a 40mm grenade launcher puts warheads on forehead. It's also an extremely versatile tool that provides your standard squad with a capable weapon for a wide variety of tasks. Due to the munitions available, the 40mm grenade launchers might be the most versatile tool in an infantry squad. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give us feedback. Till then, be safe and stay well.